The Olympus STM7 microscope is designed for high-accuracy metrology and precise measurements in material science. With a basic configuration, often known as a toolmaker's microscope, an operator can quickly take measurements to see variations in production or tooling wear. STM7 measuring software can be added, enabling operators to take complex measurements, create testing routines, and efficiently deliver pass-fail results for components such as printed circuit boards and wafers. The STM7 has a modular design. Customization for sample size, lighting, and motorization can be addressed by a wide variety of available options. In a toolmaker's configuration, operators simply place their sample on the STM7 stage and locate the feature they wish to measure. Moving across the feature to an end point, the display shows the distance measured in all three axes. Olympus offers software to enhance the microscope's measuring capabilities. Using the software's edge detection function can simplify and speed up measurements. In this example, the software detects 5 points, while the user quickly moves around the sides of the rectangle and obtains results. Additional edge detection tools are available, including circle edge detection, which provides up to 99 data points for better measurement accuracy. Manufacturers often create hundreds of components an hour. Periodic sample testing must be regularly performed to ensure quality. The software guides users to each measurement point to ensure the correct measurements are taken. The software compares measurement results to known design tolerances and automatically displays any failure in red, so users know immediately if there is an issue. Stages for the STM7 range from 50 by 50 to 300 by 300 millimeters and support objects as large as a 12-inch wafer or a component weighing up to 30 pounds. Stages can be equipped with a rotatable stage plate to simplify measuring in a single axis. By utilizing the clutch feature, the stage can be moved quickly for greater distance measurements. The STM7 offers both manual and motorized height measurement. To improve reproducibility, a focus navigator can be added to the system. With a motorized frame, a convenient hand switch controls all height movement, while the Z-limit option keeps the objective lens from hitting the sample. A laser autofocus can be paired with the motorized frame. While moving across the sample in the X or Y axis, the laser autofocus controls the motorized height to keep the sample in focus. Integrated LED lighting supports controls for bright field or dark field reflected light observation, transmitted light observation, and the focus navigator option. For highly reflective surfaces, users can add a polarizer and rotatable analyzer. Adding a DIC prism improves the visibility of minor surface changes. The Olympus STM7 measuring microscope is a versatile, high-performance instrument which provides operators three-dimensional measurements with sub-micron precision. Olympus application specialists and service engineers are available to conduct user training and provide industry-traceable calibrations. For more information on Olympus industrial microscope solutions, contact your local representative or visit our website at www.olympus-ims.com.